It's here for Yamamuni Akwaba Bam Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So Yamamuni Akwaba Bam Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So and there your first time we have subscribing, now click the notification bell on the so. Now breaking news coming right now is that Buhari has won the Nigerian election. So if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell to get notified on any latest post we make over here. If you are new here, subscribe and click on the notification bell, get notified on any latest post we make here. So I'll read from some website for you, and then you'll know what's going on. So breaking news coming in right now, right? So the INEC chairman has declared Nigeria's Buhari, right, the incumbent president, as the winner of the 2019 election. So President Muhammadu Buhari beat Atiku Abubakar in a comprehensive, a bit controversial victory in the 2019 presidential election, according to the official results announced by the Independent National Electoral Commission, which is NEC. According to the final results of the election, Buhari won 15,191,847 votes, while Atiku gained 11,262,978 votes, a margin of 3,928,869 votes, which is close to 4 million votes. Quite a huge margin. Okay, so the story continues. The president won in Ekiti, Osun, Kwara. Okay, so let me state the figures, right, associated with these states. So Ekiti, the president won with 219,231. Osun, the president won with 347,634. Kwara, the president won with 308,984. Nasarawa, the president won with 289,903. Kogi, 285,894. Gombe, 402,961. Yobe, 497,914. Niger, 612,371 votes. Chigawa, 794,738 votes, and Kaduna, 993,445 votes. So it continues. Other states where he won are Bauchi, 798,428 votes. I mean, some huge figures here. Lagos, 580,825. Ogun, 281,762 votes. Kano, 1,464,768. Kachina, 1,232,133. Bonu, 836,496. Sokoto, 490,333. Kebbi, 581,552. and Zamfara, 438,482. That's quite impressive, as you guys can see the margin there. It continues. Buhari won his first term victory in 2015 after he beat then incumbent Goodluck Jonathan by 2,571,759 votes, as he won 15,424,921 votes over his opponent's 12 million. Okay, so the first time Buhari came, I mean, as he beat the incumbent 4 years ago, Goodluck Jonathan, right? So Buhari won with a margin of 2 million, but this time around he won with a margin of close to 4 million, which actually shows improvement, right? And so it's quite interesting because a lot of people were actually making noise on social media. They wanted Buhari out, and so for some of us, we thought that Buhari would even lose, right? But to see Buhari win with such a huge margin is very, very interesting. And so it continues. Atiku has not yet called President Buhari to concede defeat like Jonathan did when he was defeated by the former military head of state in 2015. Okay, so PDP kicks against Buhari. Okay, so I believe that Atiku is against this result, and so let's read that so you guys know what's going on. So the 2019 election was marred by violence in several parts of the country, with incidents of ballot snatching and voter intimidation and other misconducts, which led Atiku's PDP to reject the result as soon as INEC started the collation and announcement on Monday, February 25th. The PDP chairman, Uche Secondos, addressed the media on Monday to announce that the results announced by INEC were unacceptable to the party and the Nigerian people. He accused officials in President Buhari's government of colluding with INEC officials to disenfranchise Nigerians and manipulate figures of polling units where the PDP won. Okay. He said the ruling party strategy has been murderous, undignified, and disrespectful of the wishes of the electorate. Okay, it continues. At another press conference in Abuja on Tuesday, February 28th, the Deputy Director General of the party's presidential campaign organization, Turaki, demanded an immediate halt to the collation of results onto data from the smart card reader accreditation at the polling units were made available to all the parties involved in the election. The party also called on INEC to conduct fresh elections in Yobe, Zamfara, and Borno State due to voting irregularities. Okay, so he continues to read. With the party failing to accept the result of the election, it's expected that it would most likely end up at a tribunal and go all the way to the Supreme Court, where the president recently suspended its head, the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Walter Onnoghen. So it's here for any story at Edaho. I know the story at Edaho say we share the Ekoswa. The miridi ni ano. The can say eye oman Nigeria mu. Eye Nigeria. Ghana for your neighbors Nigeria. The Ekoswa no say omo ato aba. Na abato no we share the Ekoswa. Omo president aboteso no aye fe no Muhammadu Buhari. Ono na we wini na ni win no ama opposition omo nti ase omo person de court na ya Ghana ha say kan no emra abato no ekoso ni hu videos of amanfo ayebo omotuo of amanfo asebe omo to aba bebre double voting ye hu videos kra of nkolank tenkete ayede omo akọ polling station ho so omo nso ngoto aba no ye hu san nyama ni nyanti no ama the opposition ka sedabi ase aban no ewia abato onim aban no ewia abato onim nti no eno ne asema eda ho etiefo eno ne asema eda ho a ye kasa afa ho na very interesting uyo obi a unim the Nigerian political scene, any Ghanaian political scene obon say Nigeria for APC omone Ghana for MPP eneko Ghana for PDP, Ghana for NDC, and Nigeria for PDP, eneko. Na oko back koshemwa. Embra ana for recent times no. Time bia Nigeria for mo amunim so mo to aba a year and Ghana for ya to aba. Nigeria for to aba a year and Ghana for ya to aba. Nti no oko back ekoshe Nigeria for abato na. Odo hu say embra omo APC ni be wini bia no Ghana nso MPP be wini eyade eda ho embra Nigeria for APC be wini bia no Ghana MPP be wini embra Nigeria for PDP be wini bia no Ghana NDC nso e wini nti no very interesting say last 4 years Nigeria na PDP na na so Ghana nso na NDC na na so nti no APC be wini ye ebeji abane fi eye PDP for se mena Ghana so MPP beji fi NDC same na this time around so APC winning Into no so wo call by that logic now obeka say Ghana so dey to aba MPP so ebe den ebe wini but ye hwe eyade ade bia esi eyade ade bia esi but ye hwe say this time around so ebe si ana ye hwe say this time around so bibi sabisi ana say Jean no on be break ana eno ne nsema eda o tie for che wadwen e wo comment box ni mo me da say